back to my channel. I know I look crazy, but I realized I have not been filming in a long time. I kind of been busy with papers and stuff like that. So I'm going to the museum today, Sunday. It is Sunday the 21st of November, and we're going to the museum, me and my roommate. So I decided, why not just bring the camera along and film the museum. I love going to museums, and I actually been to this museum, but y'all, it's so big that I still didn't see everything. So we're going back. So yeah, come along with me. I'm just doing my hair and my makeup right now. I'm trying to put on a cute outfit so I can take some cute pictures, so hopefully that comes out. But I will see you guys when I get ready. after nearly 2 hours of walking around the museum and my feet were hurting, we decided to head down to the cafe and order some lunch. And it was really good, y'all. I had butternut squash soup and a chicken sandwich. It was okay. Why am I lying? It was alright. It wasn't so good. It was alright. We're leaving the museum. That was so fun. Oh, now it's cold. It is. Ooh, I think because we had the sun. It's cold now, y'all.
My coat is like cold.
And I guess we're full. We got all cozy. That was so fun.